Custom-built home by Dublen West/2005 addition to laundry room West/exit to garden and added second half bath just off the 3-car side entry garage. Sex station and large pantry close off from the chef's kitchen West/5-burner gas stovetop inside large solid surface island West/storage, seating for 5 and rinse sink. Also double oven, warmer tray, custom cabinets West/bubble glass crown molding. Butler's pantry leads to large dining room West/new shutters.Entry through rounded door offers soaring ceilings past study West/shutters, French doors, and into great room West/wall of windows or French doors that leads to patio and flower garden oasis on half-acre lot. The arched doorways from greater take you to the vaulted and sunny hearth room. Floor plan is large but cozy throughout. Master bed has tray ceiling and suite bath West/his, her closets, marble jetted tub and shower. Upper level has bonus room, a bedroom West/ensuite and office cubby Jack and Jill bath connects 2 to 3 beds. Dual zoned, surround sound, electric dog fence. Great location.